Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting immediate access to the stabilizer bar. Jack the car in place stands safety first. You want solid support before touching anything. Once the vehicle is stable, remove the wheel only if it blocks the sway bar area so you have clear working space. Then inspect the rubber mount and note orientation and any clips or brackets holding it. Make sure to keep bolts and hardware organized. This prevents reassembly guesswork and saves time when you reinstall the new rubber. Now you remove the old rubber. Spray penetrating oil on the bracket bolts and let it soak a few minutes to ease removal, then break the bolts loose with a ratchet or breaker bar. Once the bracket is off, pry or cut the worn bushing out, work around the bar to avoid scratching it. Clean the bar and bracket mating surfaces with a wire brush and degreaser so the new rubber seats properly. If corrosion is present, address it with light sanding or rust converter to ensure a snug fit. Fit the new rubber bushing by applying a thin layer of silicone grease where the bushing contacts the bar. This eases installation and reduces squeak. Align the split bushing correctly around the bar, seat the bracket, and tighten bolts to the specified torque, not just snug. Lower the car, remove stands, and do a slow test drive to confirm noise is gone and handling is normal. If you hear clunking later, recheck bolt torque and confirm the bushing orientation. A misplaced split or loose bolt.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.